Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing gear and the spell. Cast Soul Trap or ready a Soul Trap enchanted weapon before engaging. Timing is crucial. Make sure your empty soul gem inventory includes the appropriate size, petty, lesser, common, greater, or grand, because a mismatch wastes the soul. Once done, approach the target and initiate combat while the spell or enchantment is active. You do this now to guarantee the capture triggers the moment the target dies, so focus on execution rather than long set. You maintain the soul trap effect while managing combat. Cast the 60-second version on a live enemy or strike with a soul trap weapon. If you use the enchantment, the trap will trigger on hit and persists per weapon rules. Make sure no secondary effects, friendly fire, or environmental hazards finish the target before the trap can register. If the timer drops or you miss hits, reapply immediately because only a valid active trap at death stores the soul. Keep an eye on timers and health bars. You finish by confirming the soul filled the proper gem. Open your inventory and verify the empty soul gem converted to a filled version matching the soul's rank. If it didn't work, stop and troubleshoot. Confirm soul trap was active at death, ensure the gem was empty and large enough, and make sure a summoned creature or trap didn't deliver the killing blow. If problems persist, improve success odds with perks or gear that lengthen or strengthen soul trap effects. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.